So, g'day and welcome back to Gumade's Coins and Banknotes. And today's video is got the UV out. So we're going to check the Chinese banknotes to see the UV features that they possess. So the first lot of banknotes that we have on top are the older yuan banknotes. So you're probably not going to get these in circulation anymore. No, but they're still legal tender. And this one is 1990. So I think these were first issued in the a lot of them are dated 1980. This one dated 1996. But the date of printing on the note is not the date of issue. These, I believe, were first issued in 1986. Okay, so the older banknotes from China, you can see they have no security features in the UV. Although it does look like they might have some weak reactions, but nothing that actually stands out. So that's a 1 yuan. Okay, then we have the 1996, and although it has a Great Wall of China, would have been good if they put UV features on the Great Wall of China. Okay, the 2 yuan, and all these have features of different ethnic groups in China. So this one is 1990, so no, there isn't any. We have a rock in the ocean. And I think that guy with the beard is a Uyghur. That might be a Mongolian. Once again, looks like we have the UV feature there. And another one there, but basically, no, that's just the light shining on it. Nothing real major. Or that's probably just a watermark in the background. So the watermark, yeah, I'd say it's the actual watermark, and it's probably been a bit damaged. Okay, then we've got the 10 yuan. So see that 1 yuan in the background? That's what we're looking for, that type of reflection. And sometimes it's not as bright. It can be quite vague, but here you go, the largest banknote I have. So I need to get the 50 and the 100 yuan. They might have security features in the UV, but I'm not too sure. Okay, so these banknotes are the current series. This is the 99 series. So the first year date on these banknotes. And even, I'll have a look. They have 3 different series. There's 2005, and then there's the current series, which I think is 2019 to 2020, something like that. You can see they have security threads in the middle, and they just have the one on the back security thread. So these are not placed in any direction. They're just incorporated into the actual banknote when they make the paper. Okay, another 1 yuan. Once again, nothing much. The 5. So that's 2005 series. Then we have the 10 yuan. So this is the older that you can still get in circulation, but I think China is moving away to electronic based payment system because it's easier to control the population. Okay, so that's 2005. And the difference between, so here's the back of the 5. Looks like we have some reaction with behind the 5 here, just weak, and also going up on the side here. So slightly UV, but on the 10 you can see the features actually stand out. So up here we have a more of a reaction around here as well. So this is a better security feature. Okay, and this banknote is the current series that they're printing. And you can see they put one of the serial numbers as a UV feature, and they kept the 10. They've removed the little strips in the actual material. Actually, no, they haven't. There it is. Looks like there isn't as many though. And on the back, we have the same scene, waterfall, but they've just changed the actual design. So this is 2019 series. So slightly weaker UV features on this side. So this side on the older banknote actually stands out a lot more than on the newer banknote. Okay, then we have the 20. These all have Mao Zedong on the back. Not really much. 2005. The 50. Same thing. You think that because this is equivalent to about $10, the second highest value in China, they would actually increase this UV features. But as you can see up the top, they do have a UV behind the actual Tibetan, it's a monastery or something like that. Can't remember what it is. Okay, here we have the older 101. And on the back, okay, the Great Hall where the star is has UV features. Okay, I've got two more, same banknote. And here is the newer version. Once again, UV in the security serial number 100. We have the strips there, and on the back the Great Hall again, so that hasn't changed. So that's basically it. So if you're going to use these banknotes over in China, you can probably use them to a lesser degree in Macau and Hong Kong. Just check to make sure that they are real, because it wouldn't be too hard to actually counterfeit these type of banknotes. The hardest part will be actually doing a security strip and the watermark. Watermark's not hard these days, but the UV will be missing because that requires a special ink. Anyway, hope this helps you with your banknotes, and if they are real, check for the different types of security features you can find on the banknotes.